Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how bad the market is and other stock news, I guess. Let's begin. So this is a review on CYMBL symbol, I guess, Dreamweaver. I don't know what's wrong with this weed, but it smells like ass. It smells real bad. I cannot stand the smell of this weed. This is the bud on top. This is the container. It smells like garbage weed. Smoking it tastes gross too. It's funny because the day I smoked a joint of it is the day when I hurt my back. I'm not putting two to two together, but yeah, I can't stand it. I think I'm gonna give it away to someone if I can, if someone will take it, because I don't like the smell of it. It's really horrible. Apparently you can return weed products, but the problem is I lost my receipt, so I don't think they'll let me return this weed. Maybe I'll just bring it to them and be like, this weed's really bad and I've been buying products from you, but I lost the receipt. So, you know, just if you guys won't take it, that's cool. I just wanted to let you know that this is horrible weed. I can't stand the smell of this. Maybe it has like pesticides and some kind of chemicals in it that prevent it from like rotting or whatever. I have no idea, but I just can't stand the smell of it. So let's begin with the actual stock news today. So Activision had its earnings yesterday. It's had horrible reception ever since they announced basically when they announced Diablo Immortal, the stock tanked, and then it recovered a little bit, and then it tanked again, and then it tanked again, and then it recovered a little bit, and then on the day of earnings it tanked big time. Wait, no, this is not the day's earnings. This is the day of earning. So it tanked. I was actually thinking of picking up some on the dip, but then I did my research and I just remember about I just looked at all the products and all the games, and I'm like, Activision Blizzard doesn't really have anything. They don't have anything. They don't have anything great right now. They have the big money maker is World of Warcraft, which is a 10-year-old game. I can't believe they've been making money off, and Candy Crush. I'm just like, what the hell? I'm gonna make a way more dedicated video on Activision Blizzard in the future. So stay tuned for that. But man, I did my research. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and I'm gonna stay away from this one. If it goes to maybe like $40, I may consider, but right now I'm not gonna touch Activision Blizzard, even though it's gone down so much from its all-time highs. So, you know, that's just my thoughts on it. I think the stock can fall further, and maybe I'll make a dedicated video on the weekend on Activision Blizzard, because this was my very first company I've ever invested into. You know, today is just a bad day for the market in general. AMD's down massively. Oh, it's kind of recovering a little bit, but it was down pretty bad. Mr. Tesla refused to drop. Just refuses to drop. I'm telling you, I think this stock is going to $400. I don't care how bad the market is. I think the stock's still going to go to $400. They have too much of a cult following. I refuse to sell any of my Tesla shares. I might sell some at $400, just a little bit, like maybe 5 or 10 shares, but not right now. That's for sure. Wayland. Oh, looks like I bought some Wayland. Let's see where it is right now. Oh yes, I bought some Wayland, and that's great, and it went up. Yes. June, like 82 cents. Good thing I didn't buy on. I didn't buy this stock when it was like 88 cents. I think the stock can fall further. I think the stock. I don't know why the stock's falling. Maybe people just don't care about it anymore after Aurora acquired them. or have the right to acquire them, not actually acquire them, but have the right to acquire them. People are like, oh, this stock's no longer interesting, so they were just selling off. I don't know. I still think it's a good company. I think once they execute on the strategy and show that they can do very well, I think the stock will get rewarded. But I could be totally wrong. The stock could do awesome, and investors may not even buy the stock because Aurora owns it. Maybe. I don't know. Nah, if it drops lower, I'll buy. That's my plan behind it. So I'm hoping this stock drops even lower. I'm hoping, so it may recover. I don't know. I may buy some today. I don't know. I do have some shares right now. I have a decent amount of shares. Probably add more to it. So I was talking to Glenn, and I was like, which cannabis product's the best? He's like, Aurora. I said, I think Canopy has good products. I said Broken Coast and Metro Leaf and Peace Natural. I told him I never tried Peace Natural, and then he told me that he didn't like anything from Canopy. So, you know, this is what I found too. Most products on the market are like garbage, and he thinks that too. He says, I have tested over 15 LP on medical side. So, you know, like, I don't know if Glenn's gonna get mad for me for sharing this private message, but I don't think he will. If he does, oops. So, yeah, basically me and him agree that most of the products on the market right now sucks. Just letting you guys know, right? Like, we tried out a lot of products. I experiment products all the time, and I like Canopy. I like Aurora. I haven't tried Broken Coast yet. I haven't tried Peace Natural yet. But most of the weed sucks, especially the one from Emerald. This one is from Emerald. Let's pull up Emerald stock right now. EMH. Down 9%. I wouldn't even touch a stock unless it like goes to its all-time lows, and I would just do it for a swing trade. Maybe if it goes back down to $3, I may pick up a little bit for a swing trade, but that's it. I don't like the product, so I'm not really gonna pick up the stock. It's like complete garbage. You know, today Canopy, ooh, down big time, 52.02. Aurora, I don't even want to look. Don't look. 6%. Oh. Well, at this point, I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I think because it had such a big decline today, that when earnings come out, it's gonna have a climb. I don't think we're gonna see $14 anymore. I don't think the market wants to give us that opportunity to make a lot of money into on Aurora stock. So we're gonna have to wait till next year, or until at least springtime, when those real numbers come out and shows Aurora is clearly undervalued. So I think the next quarter could be in the range of $200 million in sales. So they're gonna go from, I think the one in the springtime, not the springtime, in February, I believe, is probably for the full 3 months of rec. I think Aurora will be able to flip at least close to $200 million. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's like over $100 million. I haven't did the math on it yet, but no, I don't know. But right now, Aurora is completely out of inventory. They have no product on shelves, so you know that's a very good sign in my opinion. I don't know why I have Canopy up again. Afria down, 5%. Less of the grunt, but still big grunt. HEXO down. 6-7%. I've never tried any HEXO products yet, but I definitely want to try some HEXO product. TGOD, the producer that doesn't actually produce, has, you know, some massive rich people backing this stock, like $4.15. That's crazy. Like when a day when everything is down massively, the stock's like, oh, we're down a little bit. You know, like there's some serious money backing this stock, like serious money. Planet 13 down 2 cents. This stock also has a lot of people backing it because it should have dropped big time on a day that's really bad. See, this 706. I thought this stock would go down even further than that. Looks like a really big red bear day. I think we're gonna be red all day today. That's my opinion only. We'll see what happens at the end of the day. This is my prediction, but we're gonna have a red day today, and then possibly on Friday we'll have a really nice green day. Today is a buying day for me. I'm looking for good deals right now because I do believe these stocks will recover. I could be wrong, and you know, Canopy could dip below $50. I do believe eventually it's gonna go back to $50. Maybe it'll just go down below $50 on earnings. Who knows what's gonna happen really? But long term, this stock's going to $100 in my opinion. So essentially, Canopy could be a double from here. Double, you know, double is still pretty good, but the days of making thousands of percent is pretty much extinguished from the weed market. Now it's like more like hundreds of percent, maybe like 200%, 300%, but thousands of percent, those days are long gone. So just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.